Concept of elimination. Consider the equations Vf equal to Vi plus At, S equal to Vi t plus 1 upon 2 At, which are equations involving the variables Vf, Vi, S and t, where A is a constant quantity. If we want a relation between Vf, Vi, A and S which does not involve t, then taking out the value of t from the first equation and substituting in the second, then after simplification we may have Vf minus Vi equal to 2As. So the method of obtaining a relation independent of any particular variable is called elimination. There are 4 methods of elimination. Number 1, substitution. Number 2, comparison. Number 3, application of formula. Number 4, cross multiplication. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe, like and share our channel. First, AL-YOUSUF Academy. Second,